Alright guys, welcome to Send Noods, and on this episode we're doing hot and spicy noodles. No soup, this is just a dry noodle. Read what this says there, Gary.
It says Volcano, I can't read that, but it says Volcano chicken noodle.
Alright, and it has a crying chicken on it, so you know it's good. I always thought this was kind of a gimmicky noodle, right? One of those one chip kind of things. But coming from this brand PALDO, so PALDO started in 1983. Before that, ramen, all that stuff had a pretty similar taste. You know, got Ness and Marchand. And then these guys came in with a different taste in their noodle. It's like, it had a bite to it. It's like chewy. It was really good. And they served it in a square bowl too. It's not like a cup or anything like the other guys. I'm gonna keep dropping this throughout the whole segment. But yeah, so now they've got this hot and spicy, and Gary and I are all into hot and spicy.
I am a hot spicy daddy, as they say.
All right, let's break into it. So following the directions, they want us to first put hot water into it and let it go for 3 minutes, dump it out, and then put the flavoring sauce in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so be right back with the hot water.
Okay.
Take out that spice pack that's in there.
Ooh.
They make it pretty easy, you know, to kind of put this together. They have this on the side. You open it up, you take it out, you put the hot water in.
And you shake it all about.
That's what hot's all about. Spicy. So.
Let me get this straight. So we just open it, put hot water in, let it sit, poke holes when we need to drain it.
Yeah.
Add the spice.
Yes.
Easy peasy.
But we gotta wait for 3 minutes. What are we gonna do for 3 minutes?
3 minutes? I could think of something we could do for 3 minutes.
Something else.
No, I could think of something else we could do for 3 minutes.
Ping pong.
Ping pong?
Ping pong.
Ping pong.
You can really start to smell that. I got this like kind of a curry thing going. A lot of flakes of stuff.
So this is from Gundam?
Gundam.
Is that home of the Gundam?
Yes.
Yes.
You could say this is Gundam style.
Gundam style.
Yes. And our friend Rock, that's where he's from. Yeah.
Super rock.
Super Rock.
Ooh, put on the lip like you did. We're just copying
Yeah, trying to take
Papa
advantage
Twan.
of all the sauce that's available. Mix it in
And,
there. It's much easier to mix with chopsticks than it is with the fork.
This is how the forks do it. Okay. Fork-tastic.
That's forking slow.
Oh, you're forking wrong, dude.
It sucks because I can't say anything with chopsticks. Gary bought this for me while he was on honeymoon in Mexico. And, you know, he thought about me during his honeymoon. That's very,
Good guys.
very nice.
Good person.
So, La Anita, habanero extra picante. That means it's more picante. Salsa de picante de chile. So, it looks like it's really hot. So, I'm going to challenge, man. I'm going to challenge you. We should put in a drop of each. I mean, to keep it kind of, add a little bit more spicy to the challenge. So, just you know, just one little dab, each person.
You say so.
Just yoink, okay? And then just equal. So we're both having the same amount. And yeah. You broke this fork? Is it broken?
No.
You should get a fresh one. Here.
Fresh one?
Here. Oh, whoops! Oh, dang, dude. You better get that.
Okay.
All right, so we're ready to go.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's on the floor. You know, I was thinking it's kind of easier to stir with your chopstick. Is it alright if I use one of yours?
Sure.
Okay.
Dude.
Whoa, silly me. I didn't mean to drop all of your chopsticks.
You're clumsy, dude.
Yeah.
Well, get ready to go. Yeah. I think we're ready to go.
Tuan, could you actually check that espresso machine? There's a lens glare on it. And Gary, the orange thing, got some lens glare on it too.
Okay. Is that better? Where's it coming from?
We can take it down like a little. We put it down.
How much does it cost?
Good.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a little.
Yeah, just bring it down. Put
Right here?
it right there. Are we good?
Yeah,
Good?
yeah, I think you guys are good.
All right.
Okay. Oh man, that was expensive. I'm gonna put it back. No, I'll put it on the floor. Yeah.
All right. So we're ready to dig in on this.
Yep.
Yeah. So, all right, here we go.
Wait, isn't this portable?
Well, yeah. There's no soup, and you can literally eat it with just 2 hands if you're.
So, hear me out. If this is portable and we could take it anywhere, why don't you say we go, I don't know, eat in the park and maybe add a little bit more spice to it? We hula hoop.
Where did you get those from? All right, let's go to the park. All right, Gary, let's give us some room here. All right, so we gotta be hula hooping. You can't eat unless you're hula hooping, and the first person to finish their cup first wins. Bragging rights. Oops. All right, let's go. Ready? Oh, God.
I'm gonna have to cheat.
All right, I'm gonna just go. Oh God, it's hitting me.
It's a little hot. That's on the right rhythm.
Oh, I'm burning. Nice. How do my kids do this? I got no rhythm. Oh no!
Done first. Get on his mouth.
This is the dumbest thing we ever did. You know what? Challenge aside, this is actually a really good bowl of noodle.
I'm actually a really big fan. I wish I had another.
I want another.
Yeah.
I think I might go to the store and get another one.
Yeah.
So we got this at Tri-Ocean Market, and you know, they're local sponsor. I actually really
Tri-Ocean Market.
Tri-Ocean Market. I'm gonna give this a chopsticks up.
No, definitely a 4-cup and a hula hoop down. Unfortunately, I
No
can't
more
do
hula
that.
hoops.
I'm tired. Thank you guys for watching Send Noods.
And no more hot sauce either. Send us some nudes. Thanks for watching.